what's in my bag, what fits in this very cute bag. Hi, my name is Awen, and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I would like to share with you what's in my bag, what fits in this very cute bag that I found from Shopee, and it has this houndstooth pattern. I already did a video of the unboxing. In case you're interested in watching that as well, I will link it above for you. And I'll also link this bag, in case you're interested, on the description box below. So now, let's start. It's such a very small bag. I think it is in the size of my hand. I have a very small hand, so this is a very small bag. Now let's open. I'll show you what I have inside. So it can pack a punch. You can see I have a lot of things inside. I'll just show you one by one. I have here Lucas Papaw. I have perfume bottle. I bought two of my Gloss Boss lippies. I have here a mini wipes. I have a Tic Tac. I also carry, this is Anklutz Lux Organics, and this is a blotting sheet, charcoal blotting sheet. I have a bag hook, and I have a thin wallet. And in the middle, I have my phone in diagonal setup, because I tried to put my phone on horizontal, it didn't fit. So I tried the diagonal version and it did fit. And because I tried to put this one, I have just created this. This is from a folder to support the phone when it is in diagonal. So I just created this one from folder. Then I have here another pouch where I have my small essentials, the basics. I have here my emergency medicines, hair ties, band-aids, and of course my angel Saint Raphael. So this is another small pouch. And then I carried my comb. Then I have here my tissue paper, and I also have some hand lotion from Human Nature. This really smells nice, especially if you have a headache because of the eucalyptus. And then a few more things. I have my pen and my chapstick. So these are the things that can fit inside this very small bag. So I'll quickly show you the size of the bag. I think I already did this on the other video, but still I want to show you. It is 17 cm, 17.5 cm by 13 cm, and the width is like 10 cm. It's a very small bag, but it can fit all your basic essentials for daily use. So I am very happy that I have purchased this bag, and even though I was expecting the bigger version, I think this was way cuter, and because of the wide bottom, it can fit a lot depending on how you pack it. It was hard for me to put my phone. I decided to make this one so that I can position my phone at the bottom. on the inside of the bag horizontally. So that would look like that, horizontal, so that it will guide my phone. You can see I can easily put it at the middle. So I really love this design. I really enjoy using this very mini bag, and I really love this very classy design that really looks very chic and girly and also fun and playful. Houndstooth pattern is really very fashionable and very timeless and classy. Loved it. I really wish to find more of this design, of this print. In case I find some affordable finds, I will definitely get them as well. So if you like these kinds of contents, these bag videos and girly stuff, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the notification bell. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.